That's me dictating next week's work schedule without touching my keyboard once. And I don't even need to edit the finished product. I should know. I've been using it daily for months now. If you've tried Dictation before and abandoned it, there's a reason. Every built-in tool, Apple, Google, Windows Voice Access, take your pick, they all have the same flaw. They write down exactly what you said, every every like, and every time you change your mind mid-sentence. It's all recorded and transcribed, meaning you spend more time cleaning up what you said than what you have spent typing it out in the first place. Wispr Flow does things differently. It doesn't transcribe what you say, it writes down what you meant to say. That's because there's an AI layer on top of the transcription software that strips filler words, handles self-correction in real time, and adjusts your tone and format based on the app you're in. The same thought dictated into Slack comes out casual and punchy. In Gmail, it comes out as properly structured, professional email. This video covers what Wispr Flow does well, its limitations, pricing, and how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Let's get started. Chapter 1. The pros. My favorite feature is the one I already highlighted in the introduction. Flow edits in real time, which means you always get a polished, ready-to-use summary of each conversation. For example, let me pull up my voice profile and you can see that my most corrected words is like. Like a lot of millennials and Gen Zs, I often use like as a filler word when I'm not quite sure what to say and need a moment to think. Despite my best effort, it still inadvertently comes out way too much. With Wispr, however, I don't need to go through my chats one by one. It gets cut out automatically. Another thing that sets Flow apart from basic dictation tools is that it understands you and your workflow. For example, I usually plan my work weeks on Saturday around 5 p.m. Flow identifies this as my peak time and place. As part of this, Flow tracks key metrics, including how many apps I've used with the tool, 49, and what exactly you're getting transcribed. As you can see, I primarily draft AI prompts, over 4,500 of them. I've also completed 412 work messages, 236 miscellaneous other tasks, 56 emails, 11 documents, and a little more than 24 personal messages. In that time, I've spoken a ridiculous 363,000 words, been corrected over 10,500 times, and had dictionary fixes applied over 2,200 times. Speaking of, I also love the custom dictionary. This is where you can add your own terms, names, acronyms, or anything the tool would otherwise mishear or misspell. For example, my surname, it's always hard for people to pronounce or spell it right. Adding it to my personal dictionary makes sure Flow won't make that mistake. And when you add a term manually, you can also tell it what to focus on, like correcting a misspelling. Also, while you can add words manually to your dictionary, some get added automatically by the AI if you use them repeatedly, like all the brand names and personal names that appear with a star next to them. There's also Snippets, a feature that I've never used before, but I'm about to. In short, you're able to say a trigger phrase, like my LinkedIn or my email address, and then Wispr Flow automatically inserts your actual LinkedIn profile link or email address. Pretty cool. In fact, I was giving my scriptwriter a quick walkthrough of the app when I discovered Snippets, so go ahead and hear my reaction in real time. I don't use Snippets. I have no idea what this is. The stuff you shouldn't have to retype. Save anything you often type, your email and intro prompts, and say a word or phrase to immediately replace it. Oh, no way. That's amazing. Okay, this is amazing. Finally, there's command mode, a pro-only feature that lets you highlight any text, then tell the AI to rewrite it. For example, I'll highlight this here and say, turn this into a bulleted list. Command mode eliminates the need for another app if you just need to make minor changes. Despite everything gets right, no app is perfect. Chapter 2. The cons. The biggest one is privacy. Wispr Flow will use dictation data to improve itself. That means anything you say in dictation, including your personal information, is accessible to Wispr Flow and the third-party LLM providers that power its service. While the data sent to the third-party providers cannot be used to train those services and is removed within 30 days, the risk still exists. That said, however, anyone can enable privacy mode, even if you're a free user. This will ensure your data is never stored or used for training by Wispr Flow or its third-party providers. The problem? You've got to go into the settings and turn it on manually if you haven't enabled that when you first signed up to the platform. And don't get me wrong, privacy mode is great. As I said, there is zero data retention and your voice is discarded immediately after transcription too. Still, it's worth pointing out, make sure to toggle privacy mode on if you try out the app. There is one other downside. The app doesn't work if you can't access the internet. If you travel or work with a spotty connection, Wispr will be unreliable. For those of you who work from an office or at home, this is a non-issue. Now that you can weigh the pros and cons, let's take a quick look at everyone's favorite topic, how much it costs. Chapter 3. Pricing Breakdown. Wispr Flow has 3 pricing tiers: Free, Pro, and Enterprise. Free lets you use the custom dictionary and snippets features, but you're limited to 2,000 words a week on desktop and only 1,000 on mobile. I'd burn this in a day or two, but it's great for getting started. Signing up for the free trial also gives you a 14-day trial of Flow Pro. Speaking of, Pro costs $15 per user per month. There's no word cap, you have access to command mode, prioritized customer support, early access to new features, and team collaboration features. That leaves Enterprise, which you don't need to worry about unless you're dictating incredibly sensitive information and need to comply with strict privacy laws. So, is Flow Pro worth it? If writing is a big part of your day and your thoughts move faster than your hands, then absolutely. If you dictate occasionally though, stay in the free plan and give it a try. Wispr Flow has made a difference for me and saves me hours each week, and I bet it can do the same for you. As I told my scriptwriter, we're living in the age of intelligence and smart shit. I have an affiliate link in the description that will let you try out a 2-week trial of Pro completely for free. And if you decide to purchase a subscription, you will also support the channel. Now, quick question. What feature do you think will be the most useful? For me, it's got to be the automatic filtering that Flow does. Let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.